Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to our channel. I just received the parcel from Smitten and I thought I should share with you all. Take a look at the packaging. Now let's open it. I have ordered about 3 to 4 products from Smitten. Now let me first give you the review about the Derma Vitamin E Face Moisturizer. Its price is 149 and the quantity is 30 grams. It is sulfate free, paraben free, dye free and mineral oil free. Here they have mentioned how to use the product and how not to use the product. Now let's open the product. Here is the tube. It is suitable for dry and flaky skin type. Since winters are harsh in Kashmir, we need to keep our skin hydrated and keep on moisturizing it time to time. It can be used both as a day cream or a night cream. We can get an additional discount of 15% on our next purchase from the Derma. They have also given the slip of how to use the product. Now let's open the tube. Since I don't reveal my face, I will use this product on my hand just to show you the consistency of the product and how the product gives the final look to our skin. You can see the difference after using this product. I hope you liked our today's video, so do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching to our channel.